What if I told you that by the end of this video, you could build your own digital AI side business that makes anywhere between $500 to $2,000 a month using free AI tools you already have access to? This isn't a get-rich-quick video. This is a 2026 blueprint that actually works. Because AI is no longer the future, it's the present, and those who know how to use it smartly are already earning from it. Everyone's talking about AI, but most people are stuck in the learning loop. They jump from one tool to another, ChatGPT, Canva, Midjourney, and end up confused, not richer. The truth is, tools don't make you money, systems do. So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 AI business systems that anyone can start today, even if you have no experience, no followers, and no budget. The first model is the AI digital products business. You create something once, and it sells again and again. Use Canva AI or Leonardo.ai to design things like planners, ebooks, social media template packs, presentation kits. You upload them on Etsy, Gumroad, or Creative Market, and every sale becomes passive income. Here's your 2026 hack. Bundle related templates. Instead of selling one item for $5, sell 10 for $29. And this works great for passive sales. But what if you want recurring income every month? The second business model is the AI subscription business. You create content once a week and get paid monthly. Use Substack or Patreon to publish. Weekly AI tool updates, niche strategy reports, curated prompt libraries. You can start with free posts to build trust, then charge $5, $10 a month for exclusive content. And because it's recurring, your income compounds every month. But if you prefer working directly with clients and earning bigger chunks, this next model is for you. Model 3 is AI consulting and done-for-you services. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know how to use tools smarter than most people. Small businesses will pay you $300 to $2,000 to set up ChatGPT prompt systems, create content workflows, automate design or reporting tasks, use Notion AI, ChatGPT, and Canva AI to deliver fast. You can start on Fiverr, Upwork, or even LinkedIn. But maybe you're more interested in automation income, not client work. That's where the next model shines. Model 4 is AI affiliate plus SEO websites. You use AI to write blog content and get traffic that earns through affiliate links. Here's how it works. 1. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to write SEO-optimized articles. 2. Create a simple website with Framer or WordPress. 3. Insert affiliate links for tools like Canva, Jasper, or Grammarly. 4. Watch organic traffic grow. Clicks, commissions. Once it's set up, this becomes automated passive income. And if you want something even more scalable, something that feels like a real business, this next one is your goldmine. The fifth model is AI microeducation, or creating mini online courses using AI tools. You don't need to be a teacher, you just need to document what you learn. Here's how you do it. 1. Outline your course in Notion AI. 2. Use ChatGPT to script the lessons. 3. Design slides in Canva Magic Studio. 4. Host it on Gumroad, or Teachable courses can sell from $29 to $190, and they build your brand while you sleep. These 5 AI side business models can change your financial game in 2026 if you pick one and commit. Start small, stay consistent. You don't need followers, you need systems. If you got value from this video, subscribe and share AI Simplified, because the best way to predict the future is to build it with AI.